it is over 150 kilometers per hour now.
155 to 165 kilometers per hour.
Crossing.
Already started crossing the land.
Crossing.
Over between Ithaca and so already some portion of cyclone has come over the land. So crossing, we say the center is crossing. Center is not crossing.
I want them to learn also. Some new boys, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
So is it as
It's almost
strong as 1999?
almost. May not be that, little bit.
But broadly
It is almost
same level.
Same level.
But at that time we were caught unaware.
No, we gave predictions, but it was too late.
So this time the difference is that we are well prepared.
Right.
So there may not be as many you see losses and all those things. No? But it is as powerful as that.
Yeah, I think the second strongest, I think. The second strongest.
See, since the time I am minister of this department, is it the
Highest strongest.
strongest?
Strongest.
That Kerala.
Anyway, you can start briefing. That will also come. You can start briefing. Let him do.
Otherwise, it is in my laptop, along my desktop. Started as a low pressure area. First is small system.
Tell me as if you are telling me for the first time.
Yeah. So this cyclonic storm started in some South Bay of South Andaman Sea. It's a low pressure area. First is a low pressure area on 13. Then it became a depression on 16. Then it started increasing its intensity. And on 16 the morning it was depression. 16 around 2:30 it has become deep depression, and 16 by evening 5:30 it has become cyclonic storm. That means the intensification, it has become very fast. And from cyclonic storm on 17th morning it becomes severe cyclonic storm, and 17th afternoon it will become very severe cyclonic storm. These are different category. And 18th early morning it will become extremely severe cyclonic storm, and 18th 11:30 it has become super cyclonic storm.
Oh my God.
That means from severe cyclonic storm is on 17th 8:30 morning, and next day at 11:30 it has become super cyclonic storm. It has
So
crossed the
within 24 hours.
24 hours, three category it has jumped.
It became super cyclonic.
That is wind speed from 90 to 100 km per hour. It has increased to 220 km per hour in 24 hours. The rapid intensification is the milestone of highlight of this storm. Very rapid intensification.
From 90 to 220
220
kilometers per hour.
km per hour. And so that is a main part of this story, sir. And so we have been predicting in the 13th itself. We issued a press release saying
So,
that
when did we predict it for the first time?
13th.
13.
When low pressure started, we said that low pressure system is forming, and it is likely to intensify further. We also gave a tentative track. And by 16th, when it became depression and all, we are very sure that it is likely to move a little less westward first, then turn north, then northeast. All this track was predicted very well. And from 16th itself, we have started telling that it is going to cross somewhere in the West Bengal, Orissa coast. Initially it was Orissa and West Bengal, and later we changed it to West Bengal and Bangladesh coast. Little eastward we have that, right hand side.
Okay,
So this track prediction was almost from 15 to 16 of this month we started telling, except prediction. And
no, I have been tweeting these also.
yes sir. And so the prediction is pretty good. If it is working, then I can show you. So you can show the next slide. So this is the latest position, sir. Already the storm has come over the land.
Let's show the first slide.
First, we go back. Still we go back. Oh, that's that right. Okay. So this is the right hand side.
16th is the depression in the morning. Then it's a deep depression in the afternoon. Then there is a cyclonic storm 16th evening. Then severe on 17th morning. Then very severe on 17th afternoon. and extremely severe on 18th.
Early morning.
Yes.
It was early morning, 2:30 hours.
Early morning. In fact, midnight basically.
Midnight, that's nice.
So then on 18th, 11:30, it becomes a super cyclonic. Wind more than 220 kilometers per hour.
Yeah. So 99 cyclone also was a super cyclone.
Okay. Okay.
So anything more than 200 kilometers per hour.
When do you say? When do you bring it into the definition of super cyclonic?
220 kilometers per hour.
So if it is 220 or more,
we call
the minimum has to be 220.
in speed.
Okay, and 99 also we have
It was
we had this 220 speed.
Yes. And in 99, almost 10,000 people died, sir.
I know.
10,000 people died.
Okay.
Here, of course, the casualties will be much less because we have been informing them for last 4-5 days, and also they started evacuating people and all. 99 was a big failure from all the sides.
Next slide.
So this is the latest radar picture, sir.
Radar Paradeep.
Paradeep radar.
What does it depict?
It's all it's all this red and orange are over there. The deep clouds where a lot of rain is happening. All these red color and the blue is relatively less cloudy than green. And this is the center of the storm. You can see the some kind of eye kind of thing. And it already Balasore is here. It's already started affecting Balasore and all. Balasore it rained already very heavily.
So if we have to compare it with 99 from the perspective of because this ministry was created much later. So at that time also, when did we forecast that?
So 99, I don't know the whole story, sir, but then see before that 99 cyclone, there was another cyclone just a few days back.
Yeah,
And
1 week back.
1 week back, that we predicted and it did not come well or some story. Then the next cyclone, when the second cyclone, the superstorm came, when we predicted, Odisha government did not take it seriously.
At that time.
And I was told the district, when it came very close to the, it's all story, sir. When it came very close, they are sure that it is coming. All district collectors left with the family to drop their family to the respective home. That time, when they wanted to come back for their duty, they are trapped. By that time, storm came and there was nobody to take care of people.
I just, that is one aspect of it, but I'm from the development in the ministry of
Yes,
this ministry means I just want to know
So 99
22 years back what was our capability
capability we did not
and
have.
today what is our
No, we
capability?
did not have this weather radar. That's a main-
Because last 6 years you have predicted lot of these.
So I'll tell you the biggest difference. At that time, we did not have weather radar, coastal weather radars.
Okay.
Radars.
Okay.
Radar is very important for cyclones, sir.
Okay.
Without radar, it will be very difficult for, especially when it comes very close to the coast, it will be very difficult.
Okay.
Second thing is the models, the prediction models. That time we did not have big computer. You remember that you came and inaugurated our new computer. So this kind of computer is absolutely essential for running the weather prediction model.
Okay.
So we have, because of that new computer, we are able to run the model at very high resolution. We are able to predict almost 10 days in
You're
advance.
talking about the computer that we had in
Pune and the Noida.
Pune and in Noida. Okay.
HPC. HPC.
High performance. You came and inaugurated both the places, sir. And so the computer and models. So these are the two important. So that means basically observations and model. Both we have
Now
advanced.
we have like more advanced models and technical
More advanced
models,
better computing facility,
better observations,
better observations and models.
technically more sound and more advanced models to interpret the results.
Then all these IMD people are well trained now.
Yes.
So more people are sent abroad under the World Meteorological Organization training program or Indo-US collaboration. We have been sending out people, so people are well trained.
That is why last 5-6 years, I think what are these? We had this. First one was Hood and all.
Fallin,
Fallin, yes.
Kurkur, then Fani. Between also there are many things happen.
And the one which for which UN also praised, na? What was that?
That was Fani.
Fani.
Fani,
Yes.
Fani.
Yes.
Fani.
That is the last year.
Last year.
Last year, yes, Fani.
Fani also went to Odisha. That also in the same period, last week of April and May, the same period. So that also caused a lot of damage. But casualty was much less. It was almost 10 or 12 people.
So now, can you move to the next
Yeah.
one? You can move.
Yeah, so this I told as a 13 it has become a low pressure area. That is the beginning of any weather system. And then it has a rapid intensification between 17 and 18. It is second super cyclone after 19 and October. In fact, the super cyclone, the word we coined it only after the 99 cyclone. At that time, even the category was not known.
Yeah, UN had also not
And
defined
we
this
did not have
category.
the category of super cyclone at that time.
Okay.
And the earlier the cyclone went called Bulbul, so it's also same kind of track. You remember which year it was?
Last year.
Last year. But this storm is much more intense.
Bulbul was last year?
Last year it went to Bangladesh, but it was not very intense.
Moved across Sundargarh.
Sundargarh.
Next.
This is the track, sir. This is the track up to this.
60.
These are all prediction. This is up to observe what we have seen so far, and this is the prediction for next few 2 days. And this cone, this green cone we are showing, that is basically uncertainty. The model has some uncertainty. And you can see that the cone, the width is small here, very close to the forecast, but when you go 2-3 days later, the cone, the width will be more. So that is basically uncertainty.
Right now it is touching the.
It is only crosses, sir. It's a kind of rotating mass of cloud with the center, and so the western portion is already crossed the land. So there means it already started raining, already strong winds are there, so already started.
But no damage till now
So far not reported, sir. Damage definitely must have happened.
because of the huge
Huge force, sir.
momentum
Huge force, sir. Huge force.
force, yes.
One cyclonic storm of this intensity is equivalent to 10,000 Hiroshima bombs.
Really?
10,000 Hiroshima bomb in terms of energy. This is kinetic energy mostly,
Yes, obviously.
but that is a nuclear energy. But if you convert into joules, the calculation, it is almost 10,000 Hiroshima bombs.
You give such statement on that. Everybody in the country will be frightened.
We can tell you, we can write in research papers and we can tell you, sir. But it is huge storm, sir.
Next.
Yeah, this is the forecast wind. How much wind speed we can expect for the next few hours. Yeah, this is the actual and track. I can show. This is a very good.
3 days prior.
So this is way where it started, then went to northwest, then turned north and moving. And this black line is actual track of the cyclone, and red line is the prediction. And you can see that very close. Right?
So there is hardly any difference.
Any difference.
But even this gap is how much? Means in terms of distance.
So this here the gap is more, maybe
40 kilometers.
40 kilometers, 40 to 50 kilometers, not more than that. Okay. Track is very close. And
So
this
in
is-
your language of your science, this 30-40 kilometers is hardly anything.
hardly anything. The track is hardly anything. Normally around the world, average is a track, especially for 24 hours, it's about 70-80 kilometer track. And landfall is about 45-50 kilometers. 50 kilometers. So track is a perfect track. It's a typical textbook predictions.
Oh, good.
This is 2 days prior and this is 24 hours prior.
So this the previous one, this shows, in fact, this speaks volumes about the advancement that we have done in this field over the years.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That we can predict the track up to an accuracy of
Yes, sir.
20, 30, 40 kilometers.
So in 1919, what sir was talking was that we had the models, the resolution was 150 kilometers grid point. Now we are talking at 12 kilometers. We can predict every 12 kilometers. So that's what the development we have made in the last.
That is an observation density.
The model 150 kilometer, cyclone, the core size itself 150 kilometer. So the model will not able to predict properly. So that means a right kind of investment by the government, especially last 4-5 years.
We had that national monsoon.
Ah,
mission.
That is that on monsoon, sir. That from that money only we bought the computer and all. National monsoon missions. So government has to invest. So this kind of thing. So the dividends will be very high. We can save people. That's the most important thing.
Then we have already in the last 5-6 years,
Yes, sir.
a lot of people's
Savings.
lives have been saved as compared to
Yep.
even this tsunami and all. I
Yeah.
think,
Last year Prince Charles special visit IMD की करके गए. Just he about Fani, he read that there was zero casualty, very few, 9 or 10 people. He especially visited IMD office.
पानी में
आने के बाद.
आने के बाद भी मतलब obviously
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
when the UN people wrote some article.
Yes, sir.
After
appeared in
Afterwards,
the.
that Prince Charles, Prince, he came here for his official visit. So he just dropped in IMD and spent some 1 hour with us. So morning, with the wind, now we are talking about 150 to 165 kilometer. There is a mean wind, but in some time it can just go up. Just to go up. It was cold wind we call. It can even go up to 200 kilometer per hour. But the duration will be small. Small duration it can go up also.
This is for West Bengal. West Bengal where it is crossing. We are expecting.
So more damage we can expect in West Bengal than rather than in Odisha.
Right now.
Right now. And it is crossing just very close to Calcutta. So Calcutta city will have a lot of impacts.
Really?
Really.
And when is it likely to be there?
So it is going now. It is crossing maybe after 2-3 hours it will cross. By tomorrow it will move. By tomorrow afternoon it will move away from Calcutta. Then it will cross. It will pass through the Bangladesh. It will go to northeast. Assam,
So
Meghalaya.
next 24 hours.
Next 24 hours is very crucial for people like people in
Kolkata.
West Bengal in general, but especially Calcutta because Calcutta is very thickly populated city.
Already, sir, वहाँ rains चल रही है. Heavy rains.
This is the rainfall which we are expecting for today, sir. We can, if it is all red color, is all the Calcutta is somewhere here, sir. So we can expect around 200 millimeter, 20 centimeter rain. This rain we can expect.
In West Bengal?
West Bengal, this is West Bengal. This is West Bengal. This is Orissa. This is Orissa. This is West Bengal. And this is Bangladesh. It is going like that. So northern part of Bangladesh will get a lot of rain. And West Bengal a lot of rain, especially in south.
But in Kolkata also they must have taken care of.
They must have taken care.
But the airport is shut. The airport was also shut down.
Airports and people are asked to sit at home. And especially low-lying areas, they remove the people.
Already evacuated.
And
I was just watching.
West Bengal, about 3 lakh people are evacuated.
3 lakh.
People are evacuated. And Orissa was 60,000.
1 lakh.
No.
1 lakh.
But you can't prevent damage to the houses. Huh?
No, sir.
Can't-
Nobody can do it.
No, no.
Nobody can. Otherwise, we should have buildings which can withstand.
Civilian buildings.
Yeah, which can withstand this kind. That's why we are relying on coastal development. When you make, you have that kind of disaster resistant resilient
That we have been propagating.
propagating. So you make buildings which can withstand this kind of strong winds.
This is for tomorrow's day.
By tomorrow you can see that all rain will go away. Sir. And it will be only raining in Assam, Meghalaya, and another next day that also will go. Yes, sir.
For morning, whatever district wise we have given, that is. And this is for West Bengal. And again, we are expecting after weakening also, this part of the northeastern states will be getting some rainfall. So Assam, Meghalaya, Sabimali, Bengal, all these states have been already warned. Chief secretaries are kept informed about this. So this is a strong surge.
See, when a storm comes over the land, there is a process called storm surge. That means the whole ocean water will just pumped inside, and because the surface, at the center, the pressure is very low, and so that storm surge, and storm surge prediction is made by our center in Hyderabad, in Gois. The tsunami warning system and all is there. They are predicting. They have a model. So what we do is IMD's track prediction, cyclone prediction, we give it to them. So they use their inputs and run the model, and they project how much water can go up. And they are predicting almost 4 to 5 meter high waves. And inside it is almost 20 kilometer it can go inside, water can go inside. Unfortunate situation over this area is it's all low-lying areas. So Sundarban is a small low-lying area, water level is very small. The water can go inside very quickly. And this area also
this is that Sundarbans area.
Sundarban. Basically Sundarban. And Sundarban, there are small islands. It seems.
I know, I've been there.
Yeah, there are small islands that people are living.
Yes, I know. I've been there.
So those islands may be really flooded.
So what will happen to the tigers there?
Tigers and all, of course, they know better, sir, how to survive. They will go and they can smell and they survive, but some animals will
They,
die.
they will manage themselves. Huh?
They normally they are surviving, sir. That area.
What is our experience about them of the last?
We don't know, but some animals are always there. And they have
Yes,
you know,
Sundarbans we have tigers. I
Yes,
know.
sir.
always there. Only tigers, so many
Wildlife.
wildlife, and also it's biology, biodiversity is very high. These are the damage we can expect that we gave it to people.
West Medinapur, South and North 24 Parganas, Howrah, Hooghly, Kolkata districts.
So what kind of action they should take? For example, all fishing operation we told them to stop, all rail and road traffic to be stopped, and people affected areas get to be closed, and mobilize evacuation from low-lying areas, the movement in motor boats or small ships not advisable. This kind of warnings we gave.
Next.
So this is for the Odisha. So there are also all fishing operation, rail and traffic, road traffic is to be completely avoided. Then motor
But
boats.
Odisha, I think they have, you said, no, is
Well, Odisha, the damage will be much less. Sir.
So compared to West Bengal, we gave lesser damage
Yeah.
potential for roads. And evacuation, we did not suggested areas,
Yeah.
but locally they were doing.
Yeah.
This is a post landfall outlook. After landfall, the system how it will be.
So the communication line and all will be affected. So they have told all these mobile people
Yes.
to keep a generator so that power supply, even power supply is not there, they can still run their communication system by using generators.
so any loss to these power and communication lines till now?
So far no reports have come, sir. Damage associated with this has not come. That will start coming by evening, night and all will start
Yesterday,
coming.
Odisha reported extremely heavy rainfall, that is Paradip, reported 20 centimeters. So from that damage we have not received.
But physical damage we don't know how many people died, how much is the physical damages for the lines and all. That will start by coming tomorrow. It will come.
Next.
Anyway, this is press release on 13 May. We released the first press release. So almost 1 week before. 1 week before we started telling people saying that this is coming.
Is that funny also we gave 10
Almost
days,
Yes, sir.
10 days before we had predicted funny. No?
Yes. Not 10 days, almost 1 week. Almost 1 week.
Sir, actually in our 2 weeks prior we are forecasting a cyclone is going to form over this area. But its exact track and all will come after the formation of the local area. So that we gave 1 week prior.
Okay. Anything else we have to or we can do? Except for our role is like only forewarning.
Yes, sir. That's all we can do, sir.
But,
But we have proved that
But
collaboration.
Home Ministry and this disaster people, they are all into it.
Yes,
In the morning also there was discussion in the cabinet about it.
India is involved, sir. India is involved. And state governments, especially Odisha state government disaster management people are very good. After 99 cyclone, they learned all the lessons and they have improved their facilities and they do good SOPs and all. West Bengal, we are not very sure. They may not be as good, but they will manage it. That's what we feel.
Our center at Hyderabad, in Kois, they have conducted several courses for district authorities. Where DM and their team, they visit our Hyderabad station, and for that storm surge and evacuation process, they were given maps also, district-wide maps, that if this is the storm surge, then this much area will be submerged in the water. The training is already given.
But this watch is okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then I leave because 4:30 we have some of the members of this team.
Yes.
They are all.
They are here only.
You told them to come after 7, but they were all with me. In we had put them some in Nirman Bhavan, some in there. So now they are, I think, some of them are here.
We are trying to give one more room to APS and PC. So we'll get one room.
थोड़ा सा उसको organize कर दीजिए.
We'll do that.
I will, then once it is organized, I will also start coming.
Yeah, please.
At least
Your room is practice.
I decided, I decided that when I came
Last time.
to 2019, we decided, but then
And
from
this COVID
there
has
to
really fast.
get out of that place. My average time of getting out of that place is 11.
COVID is likely to come down.
This COVID is settled.
Nothing.
Yeah, just 1 lakh cases. 40,000 have gone back home. Only 3,000 deaths. 86 these lakhs of migrant immigrants traveling from here to there, testing them and then isolating, keeping a watch on them.
Very tough.
At any particular point of time, 10 lakh people are under our direct surveillance in the country. At any point of time. And we are watching their day-to-day
Very massive.
movements and development of symptoms and all that. So it's a huge exercise. Everybody is working together in the whole country.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations for your leadership.